Okay, this is a carriage bed takedown. First thing is to remove the 4 post toppers, and they just unscrew. You may have to hold up the upper rail assembly while you're doing this. When all the post toppers are removed, then you can take off the upper rail assembly. Next, unscrew the disc at the bottom of the crown. And then remove the 4 hex bolts holding the upper rails to the crown. Okay, next you can remove the carriage wheels if you want. It's not necessary, but if you do, they're held on by 2 hex screws, one at the top of the wheel on the inside and one at the bottom. Here's another view of the bottom screw. Okay, next remove the headboard. There's 3 hex bolts holding that on. The upper one I'm taking off now is smaller than the other 2. Now I'm taking the middle one off and the bottom. After you remove the 3 bolts from the other side, you can remove the headboard. The baseboard is also held on by 6 hex bolts. Remove those and then remove the footboard. Next, flip the frame over. This will allow us to remove the box spring support bars. And there's 1 hex bolt holding on each side of the bar. Remove both of those. When you remove those, the bar will just drop off. When you remove all 3, you can remove the sides. And lastly, remove the feet from the box spring support poles. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.